Hello everyone. Welcome to a facility where we provide top-notch healthcare services to our patients. I am here to share with you the excellent facilities we have at our ICU department in Metro Hospital. Our Metro ICU unit equipped with state-of-the-art technology and equipment to handle any critical situations. We have a team of highly trained and experienced doctors, nurses, and staff who are dedicated to provide high quality at 24/7. Some of the facilities available at our ICU include advanced monitoring systems, life support machines, and specialized isolation room for infectious disease. Additionally, our ICU unit has comfortable and calming environment for the patient and their families. Rest assured that our team will do everything in their power to ensure the best possible outcome for our patients. Thank you for considering our facility for your better healthcare needs. We look forward to serving you in the future. We have a very good team of ICU doctors, nurses, and all other staff. So thank you for watching. আশা কৰো আপোনালোকে ভাল পাব আপোনালোকৰ যদি কিবা অসুবিধা থাকে তেতিয়াহলে আইসিউত যদি কিবা অসুবিধা পায় তেতিয়াহলে আপোনালোকে আমাৰ লগত যোগাযোগ কৰি কথা পাতিব পাৰে আমি আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা বেষ্ট কেয়াৰ দিবলৈ আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম সো ধন্যবাদ ভিডিওটো চোৱাৰ বাবে